TLC Therapeutic Love and Compassion Bodywork is a channel dedicated for your muscles and joints. We will feature exercises that will help with your flexibility and stretching. You will be able to correct poor holding patterns brought about by too much sitting, standing, or holding a certain position. We use different modalities for you to be able to reach your fitness goals. This includes the following: pole and rope fitness, hybrid and hype yoga, using of different tools, including resistance bands, booty bands, stability ball, Pilates wheel, Pilates circle, ankle weights, forearm weights, dumbbells, yoga blocks, rollers, half rollers, kettlebells, spine correctors, and different types of bolsters for support. And combine with hybrid hype yoga, Pilates, and other types of exercises. We cross-train with different sessions. All will help you reach mobility functionality, enabling you to reach longevity without relying on others. You will become self-sufficient in terms of movement up until your golden years. Book an appointment now.